Sige po. Ayun. Okay, nakukanan ko na, yes. Wait.
Dagitpa means dagat, langit at lupa.
Dagitpa means sea, sky, and land, wherein the purpose is to test the interoperability of our armed forces. We have a scenario here of chemical and biological attack.
Chemical biological warfare. Meron kasi tayong mga equipment, isa rin sa i-showcase natin.
And we are trying our new equipment and the reaction of our soldiers when there's a chemical and biological warfare.
Why is it important for us to train?
Yes, sir.
Well, the mandate of the Armed Forces of the Philippines is to defend the territory and our sovereignty. Training for future operations is a natural activity of any armed forces. That is our commitment to the state and our commitment to the people. So this is, I would believe, very normal for any armed forces, not even in the Philippines, but also for other countries. Warmongering means we are looking for a fight, but this one is a demonstration of our capability to defend our territory. We are improving every single day with our exercises. So every time we execute an exercise, whether it's unilateral or whether it's bilateral, we are in the process of learning from our own operations and also learning from our own shortfalls. So every time we do this, it is a step in the right direction.